Look at you dead on your feet. I'm willing to admit defeat could ever be a possibility. You had always been headstrong, always met things head on. Tired and bruised, it was just like you to check in for 2 days and out for round 2. Well, it hadn't even been a year when the south winds blew him ashore. You did yourself proud, but they just kept coming back for more. And when she said goodbye, tell me, did your mother hold you for a moment longer than she needed to? And as you took your leave, turned away and took no heed. Tell me, did she know as she watched you go? Did she pray you stay? Trouble in the north, signs in the sky. Your time was running short, surrounded on every side. And it hadn't even been a year when the south winds blew him your way. That comet burned bright, but your light died that day. When she said goodbye, tell me, did your mother hold you for a moment longer than she needed to? And as you took your leave, turned away and took no heed. Tell me, did she know as she watched you go? Did she pray you stay? When she said goodbye, tell me, did your mother hold you for a moment longer than she needed to? And as you took your leave, turned away and took no heed. Tell me, did she know as she watched you go? Did she pray you stay? What if it had played out a different way and you chased the